Hello and welcome to another Paper 2 question. This is Edexcel IGCSE Computer Science. Now for a description of this paper, please see the link above. I've gone through the details of this in my first video. So without further ado, let's jump in and look at question 3 today. Question 3 looks at reading from and writing to external TXT files. So for this question, what you're given is a TXT file called email. Now, it is really important that it is in the same folder as your program, otherwise this isn't going to work. It's going to be looking for this file, and if it can't find it, the program's not going to work. You're going to get a runtime error. So what the program is going to do is it's going to open that file, then it's going to look through that file, it's going to check each email address, checking that it is an email address. It's going to check that it's got the @ symbol in there, and any that don't meet those requirements, it's going to put into an error.txt file, and you are asked to use Q03A to complete the program and not add anything else to the program other than what you're asked to do. So here is my folder, and here's the email file, and here's Q03A. So if we look at it, we're not given anything other than 5 comments there, and you're given prompts as to where you need to write the code. So the first bit of code we need to do, first code, is to open the data file. So to open a file in Python, I need to write with open brackets, and now I need the name of the file. And in this case, when I look in the folder, it's called email.txt. And you'll see in the question there, it's called email.txt. So I need to put single quotation marks there, email.txt. It's really important you spell it correctly. If it's a capital letter, you put that in there. If it's a txt file, then you need to write .txt. Close quotation. What do I want to do with it? Different options here. The first thing I want to do, and usually for most questions, would be to read that file. So R is read. I've also got W for write and A for append, which means to add to it. But I want to read that file. I want to look at that file as input file. This is the name of the variable where it's going to be stored. It's going to be really important in my next line of code. So my second line here, create a variable called email list. Okay, email list. Email list equals input file. So what I'm doing now, dot read lines, is I'm reading in each line. Brackets there. Okay, so read lines reads each individual line in the file. Okay, and that's going to store that in email list. So now I've broken down each email address, each line in the file. My next job is then to open an output file that's going to store all the email addresses that don't meet the criteria. So when an email address is rejected because it doesn't contain an @ symbol, it's going to put it in an error.txt file. So output file, and this is the second bullet point here, output file equals open. Okay, open the file. So the command here is open error.txt. Now, error error.txt doesn't actually exist, but it's going to create this file, and it's going to for append, it's going to add all these email addresses that are incorrect, that don't contain the @ symbol, into this file. So for the benefit of this video, I've added a comment there. In your exam, you don't really need to do that, but just for the benefit of explaining some of the code, I've added some comments in there. Now, next bit of code that I need to do here, find the errors and write to output file. So I need to find all the email addresses that don't contain an @ symbol and put them in the error file. So I need a for loop. I need to loop through the address. Okay, for address, and the name of the variable is address. For address in email list, so that is the broken down list that I've now created, colon, indentation. If not, @ so if I can't find an @ in address, so I'm going to comment that. So if it cannot find the @ symbol, if not in address, if not @ in address, indentation, output. So I need to write, I'm writing to the file now. Output file dot write brackets address. So it's going to write to the output file the offending email address that doesn't contain an @ symbol. So add the wrong email address to the error.txt file. Now we are nearly finished. All I need to do now is close those files. So I need to close the output file. So I write output file.close, otherwise it will still be open. And then I need to close the input file as well. And .close allows me to do that with the brackets. Now I'm going to save that and run that and see what happens. Now, bit of fun here. I had an error, a syntax error. I'm missing the colon. So save it again as Q03A finished, which is what the question asked me to do. And we'll run it again and try it again. Okay. That should have been indented there. So I'd expected an indent block. Right. Save it and run it again. My if is missing a colon. Right, and now it works. So I should have in my folder, which I have, an error.txt file. Let's open that, and these are all the email addresses. So I'm just having a quick look through. None of them contain the @ symbol, so my program works there.